In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix TikTok camera black screen. So firstly, what I did is that I closed my TikTok app and instead I went into the settings app here on my phone instead, as you can see. And now in here, you're just going to scroll down and click on general, as you can see. Now in general, scroll down in here and click on storage. And then you should now be taken to this page right here. Now in here, just swipe up and click on search. Then we're going to search for TikTok, click on TikTok. Click on Offload App and once again click on Offload App down below here. We're just going to wait a couple of seconds and then click on Reinstall App here, as you can see. Now you will be able to see that your TikTok app is being automatically updated now to its current version or to its latest version. But before we can actually proceed with fixing this error completely, you need to go back to this page once again. So now on this page, we're just going to scroll down and click on Apps down below here, as you can see. Then you're going to search for TikTok. It might be that it's currently loading, but I'm just going to see if I can find it under the T button here, perhaps. Here, maybe. Okay, I think it's because the TikTok app hasn't yet updated, so I'm just going to update it and then get back to you. So now my TikTok app has actually updated, so I'm just going to go back into the settings app on my phone again here, scroll all the way down, click on apps here, then we're going to search for TikTok and now it appears perfect. So I'm just going to click on the app here and as you can see you should now be taken to this page right here. So now in here where it says camera, so if you have this one off, make sure to turn it back on once again. That is very important and that is basically exactly how I myself was able to fix it.